CS50 Introduction to Computer Science, Week 10 Final Project, Fall 2023, by Franklin Suliveres in Brooksville, Florida. The application was developed using Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, Django, and SQL under SQLite 3. The SQL database contains one table, company. The table contains all of the financial entities' information, including checking, savings, certificate of deposit, and credit card. The application allows for the entry of any number of entities per the user requires. The main menu here, the flash screen, has a home button, add new account, and list and update accounts. We will begin with list and update accounts. As we click on this, all of the accounts for that individual will be listed with a snapshot view of all of these accounts. We can then go ahead and drill down to the particular entity and will display all of the information for that particular entity there. This is a view and edit screen, which means that any of the data that you see on the screen can be updated by updating the information fields and hitting the submit button here. Let's update this information here. The record was successfully updated. We'll go and see if the $5,000 took account. And we will see that the information was updated. We also have the ability to go to any other location, go to another account, do the same thing here. We have the ability to delete an account from this last view here. Confirmation for delete, deletes the database, go to the list, it's no longer there. Here is the new account information. This allows you to define a new entity with the fields that you may want to populate. For each entity, you can have up to 4 different accounts: checking, savings, certificate of deposit, and credit card information. Thank you very much. This was Franklin Suliveres for CS50 Introduction Computer Science Week 10 Final Project.